Hi, I'm Mike with Mr. Reliable Heating and Air. Keeping the price of electricity down for your home can mean big savings. These days, we're all watching every dollar very closely. One of the best ways to make sure you have the best rate is to check out the free site for Texas consumers, powertochoose.org. This site was created by the Public Utility Commission of Texas for unbiased rates and offers. Another great way to tighten up your electricity costs is to get a tune-up and efficiency review by the pros at Mr. Reliable Heating and Air.